And today, see this pile of cups? We're going to knock it down with weapons. Then you're going to see how we built it. And then we're going to knock it down. We got a weapon right there. It's like a wrecking ball, but it's actually like a necklace. Knock it down, friend. By the way, Jason's back. Jason. Oh, I got some of your hair. Oh, what? I blocked it. Get the last one. Good boy. Now, Jason. Yeah? Come over here and hold. Remember, hold it so it's specifically on. P.S. Guys, you know I'm a kid, right? Coffee. That might have been a spoiler, I'm just saying. That might have been a spoiler, that might have not. So you both look like this. Bam! 4 at the bottom, right? So this is Sarah. So you put 4 at the bottom. Like this. Then you take this, put that here. Take this, put it here. Take this, put it here. Then there should be, where are the other cups? Here, what? Put this here. Kind of slice it. Jason, there should be one more. Do you know what the other one is? Jason, say something! I don't think so.
All the way through.
Okay, he said something. Oh, he said something. Oh my god, he said something. Oh my god, I don't believe it. Oh my god. Okay. Destruction. Apparently we're missing a cup, so I'm just going to take this, which just gave me an idea. I'm going to take this, then I'm going to take this, then I'm going to take that. Knock it down. Let's do this thing. First, you spin it like this, see? And then you just get close and knocks down like 3 at a time. 4 at a time, then in. Oh, Sylvania. So, toodaloo.